In addition to the Fresh Air Setup prompt that occurs during startup sequence, users may elect to perform Fresh Air Setup at any point when the instrument is in measure mode. Remember, a Fresh Air Setup resets baseline readings of all sensors to fresh air conditions. Therefore, Fresh Air Setup must be performed only in known fresh air conditions. Performing Fresh Air Setup in contaminated air will result in inaccurate gas readings. To perform Fresh Air Setup from measure mode, simply hold the Page Up button for 3 seconds until 0 cal displays on screen. Next, press the Page Down button to perform Fresh Air Setup. The Altair 4X multi-gas detector requires periodic calibration. Calibration must be performed if the detector does not pass a bump test or if calibration is required by the user's local procedures within given time intervals. Altair 4X multi-gas detector calibration can be performed manually or by using the Galaxy automated test system. To perform manual calibration, when in measure mode, press the Page Up button for 3 seconds until 0 cal displays on screen. Next, press the Accept button to begin calibration. First, a sensor refresh will automatically perform, followed by 0 calibration. If 0 calibration is successful, 0 pass will display. If 0 calibration is unsuccessful, 0 error will display. Following successful 0 calibration, users will be prompted to perform span calibration. Span cal and expected calibration gas concentrations will display. To perform span calibration, you will need a calibration gas cylinder with concentrations matching those of your instrument's calibration gas settings, an MSA 0.25 liter per minute flow regulator, and the MSA Altair 4X multi-gas detector calibration cap and tubing supplied with the instrument. Have the regulator connected to the cylinder and the tubing connecting the regulator to the calibration cap. As span cal displays, quickly connect the calibration cap to the instrument, press the Accept button, and open the regulator valve to start calibration. Successful span calibration is indicated by the message Span Pass. An unsuccessful span calibration will be indicated by Span Error. If calibration failure occurs, be sure to check that your calibration cap is completely snapped into place on the instrument, that cylinder gas concentrations match those of the instrument's set calibration values, and verify calibration gas cylinder expiration date if applicable. After verifying all of these items, recalibrate. If calibration fails a second time, do not use the instrument until the issue is resolved. If span calibration is entered into by mistake, simply push the up arrow button to abort. For calibration using the Galaxy automated test system, please see the Care and Use video available for that product.